Hello, my name is Lauren, and I am a volunteer of the Education Department here at the Florida Aquarium. I would like to welcome you to our beach exhibit. It is designed to represent a typical Florida Gulf Coast shoreline. It highlights some of the main habitats that make our beaches such an important ecosystem. There are hundreds of species of plants and animals, including us, that depend on the health of our beaches. We hope that you will help us in protecting these precious environments. There are so many easy ways that we can keep our coastlines healthy. When you go to the beach, make sure that you account for all of the items you brought with you when you leave. By recycling or disposing of these items properly, we can protect these fragile ecosystems. Our beach is home to many native plant and bird species commonly found along the Florida coasts. You may even be lucky enough to see some of them while enjoying a sunny day on our beautiful beaches. Each of them plays a vital role in maintaining the health of our Florida coastlines. Plants like the ones you see here have intricate root systems that anchor the sand and help protect our beaches from erosion. We have many species of birds on our beach, and some might look familiar to you. Many of our birds have come to us from bird rescue facilities and have injuries that prevent them from surviving on their own in the wild. Just past the beach, you'll notice we have an artificial sea turtle nest. Of the 7 species worldwide, 5 of them nest along the Florida coast. The most common species seen nesting on this coast of Florida is the loggerhead sea turtle. Nesting season starts in early May and lasts until the end of October. So a nest like this one is something you might get to see while walking our beaches. The nests are marked so that they are easily identified and also to caution people from disturbing the nest or hatchlings. Our population of loggerheads is listed as threatened, while all other species of sea turtles are endangered. It is estimated that only 1 out of every 1,000 hatchlings will survive to adulthood. They need all the help that they can get. That's where all of us come in. Sea turtle hatchlings have an instinct to follow the bright lights of the moon and stars reflecting off the ocean's surface. However, if they see lights from houses, condos, and hotels, they can accidentally follow the city lights and end up disoriented in backyards and in parking lots. So if you're staying at a beachfront hotel or if you live along the coastline, one of the simplest things you can do to help them is to turn off your lights at night or to switch to turtle-friendly lights. That will help increase their chances of making a successful journey from the nest to the sea. If you encounter a nesting female, we ask that you not approach her. Also, refrain from shining any lights in her direction as they may frighten her. With all of your help, we can do our best to ensure that these amazing animals are around for future generations to admire. Stingrays require clean water to survive. As I get in to feed and make my way down the beach, notice that I am shuffling my feet along the sand. This is called the stingray shuffle. Do you know why it's important? It's to prevent from being stung. Stingrays get their name because they have a barb that grows on the top of their tail that they use strictly for defense if threatened. Most people that get stung have accidentally stepped on a stingray. That is why you should do the stingray shuffle to move through the water. The reason that this works so well is that the stingrays can hear and feel you coming, therefore they have a chance to get away. If you are accidentally stung by a stingray, you should soak the affected area with the hottest water that you can stand and seek medical attention. Do not attempt to remove the barb. Most people that suffer serious effects from a barb injury contract a secondary bacterial infection because they do not seek medical treatment. In our beach, we have 3 species of stingray: cow-nose stingrays, southern stingrays, and Atlantic stingrays. The cow-nose stingrays are usually a brownish color and have wide faces and pointed wingtips. They can grow up to 3 feet in wingspan. Their barbs are found at the base of their tail where it meets their body. The southern stingrays are diamond in shape and come in different shades of gray. Their barbs are about a third of the way down the top side of their tails, and they can grow to be 4 to 6 feet in wingspan and can weigh in at over 100 pounds. The last and smallest species of stingray in this exhibit is the Atlantic stingray. They only grow to be a little over a foot in diameter. They are diamond-shaped with a pointed snout and have a pinkish color to their skin. Rays' mouths are located under their bodies. They do not have sharp teeth like sharks, but rather crushing plates. They are bottom feeders that eat bottom-dwelling creatures like crabs, shrimp, marine worms, clams, or small fish. The cow-nose rays have extra wings around their mouths that allow them to gently take the food right out of my hand. In the wild, they use those wings to probe the sand to find tasty morsels that are hiding on the ocean floor. If you are interested in feeding some of our stingrays here at the aquarium, every day we have a 45-minute stingray feeding tour. You can purchase tickets at guest services on the first floor lobby. Thank you for visiting the Florida Aquarium. Bye-bye.